Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channels. My channel. I'm dreaming, you're wondering. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded, but I was dealing with a very sick toddler, some other personal stuff, but Easter is over, spring is here, even though today is snowing outside, you guys, it's snowing outside, but I'm back, and we're gonna do this video today. Today's video is just to get ready with me. It's just gonna be rushed through because I literally only have 30 minutes, so we're gonna really rush through this. I was thinking about doing something like monochromatic, is that what it's called? Monochrome, like, you know, the one color theme type going on. I want to do something peachy-ish, so that's what I have in mind today. You guys, I've been derma rolling for almost 2 weeks now. If you guys haven't seen my video yet, it's already up. I'll leave the link down below. This is what my skin is looking like. My pores is significantly smaller. My crater scars are significantly smaller and less noticeable. And I am really glad that I started derma rolling again, or micro needling, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's get started. So I already moisturized my face. The primer I'm using today is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock. I actually really like this primer. It really keeps my face matte, helps reduce pores. I just really like it. My skin isn't as dry, so I can use it now, but before, when my skin was really dry, I wouldn't be able to use this. It's kind of like glue almost, like for foundation. Like my foundation just locks into it really well. I do still really love my Milk Makeup Blur Stick, but since my skin is a little more oily now, it's not oily, it's just more on the normal side, that the blur stick doesn't really help with minimizing like oils and helping my makeup last all day and stuff like that. So I've been really liking this. Today's foundation, I'm going to throw it back with the Maybelline Fit Me. I haven't used this in a while, but I just want to try out some different foundation because all I've been wearing is the Wet n Wild or the Maybelline 24 Hour. This, I just realized, oxidizes. I think before I didn't realize it because I never really wear like shirts that shows my chest and stuff like that. But for Easter, if you guys are following my vlog channel, I have an Easter vlog up, and I wore this like shoulder thing, and my face was darker than my body because of that foundation. So this is the shade 220. I think this is slightly dark for me, but we'll make it work. My Real Technique, I've been liking a brush for my foundation and then smoothing it out with a sponge. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dab this on. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go in with my EcoTools sponge. I've been loving this. I've been using this in the last like 5 or 6 videos. So I have a few foundation videos coming up, and the Becca Aqua or Hydra Mist powder, whatever, that water powder, that's coming up also. I'm trying to get my sister to do a video with me where I do her makeup so I can show you guys how I do makeup on clients, but she's always out. She's always out and about, and then I think she go back to school Sunday, or go back to New York Sunday because she has school Monday. I don't know. I wanted to use her face because she has combination skin, texture, and acne prone skin, so I wanted to use her as an example. But okay, this foundation's looking good. Looks very natural. Alright, the concealer, or what is this called? Concealer, brightener, whatever. It's the Age Rewind. I really like this. I like this so much better than the Tarte Tape Shape. This is so drying, and I think I mentioned it before, but I got the wrong shade. I got light medium honey, and it's like ashy on me. It's like gray almost. But this I love. I've used this years ago, maybe 10 years ago, and I stopped because I started using or trying out different things, and I'm glad I got back on it. But it's just so moisturizing, and it makes my under eye look so soft and so smooth. I really don't know how people like can talk and do their makeup. I don't concentrate very much, but when I'm talking, I basically can't do 2 things at once. pretty much. Alright, now I'm gonna bake with the Peach Perfect powder. And then on my nose, because that's first place my foundation kind of smear off. Okay, so the face is done. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, before I finish off my eyebrows, I just wanted to update you guys on the $5 Salon Perfect, the tri-tip brow pencil, brow marker, the one that mimics microbladed hair or microbladed brows. I've been really loving this because of the tone of it. It's like a cool tone. So what I usually do is just fill in my brows with the dip brow. This is in dark brown. I usually use ebony, but I ran out. So I'm on dark brown right now until I can pick up ebony, because ebony is darker and more cool tone. But I just fill in my brows and then I put this on top as little streaks of hair. I have tried to use this alone and it's really nice, but I don't really like that microbladed look, like that hair stroke look. Kind of creeps me out, to be honest. Like, just, I don't know. And then I just go in with my spoolie and brush that through. Okay, moving on to the eyes. I'm just gonna brush on some of that powder on my eyelid. Let me just smooth out a little bit. I got some foundation on there. I haven't been using primers on my eyes. Just a little foundation or concealer, whatever's on there, and then I top it off with some translucent powder. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Morphe palette today. This is the Morphe 3502 palette. And I'm gonna go in first with the shade, I don't know the shade yet, the shade Universe, which is the first shade in the palette. That one there. And the same brush. This is my favorite BH Cosmetic brush. I gotta hurry up. I'm already brows taking too long. I'm gonna use this as a transition and all over base color. So this is just gonna go right on my lid and in my crease and up a little bit. Alright, so with the same brush, I'm gonna go in now with the color, what is this, Heat. So it's this color there. Oh, it looks so much redder on camera. It's not as red. It's more orangey. Hopefully it turns out more orangey too. This is gonna go in my crease and my lid, but I'm not gonna drag it as far up as I did with the transition color. So staying right into my crease and keeping my eyes rounded. I've been loving like a rounded eye as opposed to a cat eye. Okay, with a pencil brush now, I'm going to take that same color and drag it on my lower lash line. Now with my Wet n Wild highlighter that I love. Are you guys tired of seeing this yet? I just hit pan right there. I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is just Suave Smoky Shader. And I'm going to put this on my brow bone. And then I know I look crazy. It's going to come together, I promise. And then I'm going to put some right in the inner corner. Okay, now I'm going to do a very soft brown liner. I'm going to use this dark brown there. I think it's Muddy. And try to do a very natural wing with it. So just a very smoky liner. And then I'm going to also do it just on the outer 2/3 of my eye. Bottom lash line. Okay, so pretty much done with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes. The lashes that I'm wearing are the Pro Max in style number 521. If I can find a link to it, I'll leave it down below. But I did the whole trick where you brush it out. So it's a little more fluffier and more natural looking. Kinda, sorta. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous. Yeah, in Carbon Black. My favorite. You guys see how that just brings the look together now? You guys, are you seeing my vision? Watch the rest of the face go on. Okay. Okay, moving on to the face. I'm going to use the Anastasia Contour Kit today. And I'm going to bronze with this brush. I'm going to use the darkest shade in there, which is the last one, to bronze with. And then the two other one to contour with. Good. There we go. That's the rest of the face. You see the eyes coming along, you guys? What am I doing now? What am I doing now? What am I doing now? Blush. I'm going to do a peachy blush. You know, I got this. I've never used it. So I think I'm going to use this today. Never used it. Yeah, I think I'm going to mix these two as blush today. But very, very, very light-handed because they look a little pigmented. So just like one. And I'm going to brush it off on my hand. And we're going to go in like this. Okay. That's beautiful though. Okay. Just stick my finger. Oh my god, you guys, I'm not using my Wet n Wild highlighter today. I still want to blush, so I'm going to go over that with a blush. Okay, the blush I'm going to use is this Rimmel one. Don't know if they still make it. I think they do. It's Santa Rose, and it's just this peachy blush. Like that. To blend my makeup all in, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild pressed powder and a large fluffy brush. And I'm just going to lightly blend my makeup like I'm barely touching my skin. It's just going to bring everything together. There we go. I waterline because when I look up you can see the pink underneath there. So I'm just going to... For lipstick, I'm going to use this teddy bear one by Morphe. It's their subscription one, the Live Glam subscription. This nudie brown, peach brown color. I think I want to make it a little nuder. I'm going to put Single AF on top, just in the center. Oh, this is a gloss. Oh. Not nudie enough. This is Luxe. Okay, that was 3 lipsticks. Alright, I think I'm good now. I told you the eyes were gonna come together. Girl, look at my white hair. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Fairly easy to do. Was it like 2 shades on the eyes? 2 or 3? And yeah, there we go. Ready to go out the door. Alright, I have to go now, but I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it wasn't too rushed for you, but this is usually how it is when I'm getting ready and I have to be out the door. So, oh, I forgot one more thing. The Milk Makeup Blur Spray. I actually really like this. I did a review on it, and for first impression, of course, I didn't really see a difference, but as I wore it throughout the day, which I didn't show in the video, it did like blur my makeup in together and just made it look like flawless. So here we go. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out my vlog channel. It's always listed down below. And my other videos, of course, you know? Bye. I never know how to do this correctly, so... Okay, I'm gonna leave now. Bye. I'm dreaming, you're wondering, we're waiting, when does our life begin? I'm flying.